ever just drive around town with like 4 rims and 4 tires in your car that's like stuffed in here and it stinks? Yeah, I don't know anybody that does that. Whoever does it might be just a jackass, honestly. Oh. What's up, everybody? It's me, Flaggy, and today is finally the day to put new rims and new tires on my car. You have no idea how long I've been waiting for this moment. I've been having the car for almost a year now. Can't believe it. Today is the 18th. The 24th is my 1-year anniversary with my Cadillac, so that's cool. The rims I got are 18x8s, drag DR69s. I picked them up on Fitment Industries. Very helpful website if you want to get the correct fitment on your car. They have suspension, they have spacers and all that good stuff for your car in order to get you that stance that you want. Very helpful. I'll put the website in my description. The tires are Nexen N5000 Plus, 235/50/18 front, 245/50/18 in the rear. I would have got 19s, but the bolt pattern I have in my car is 5x115. Very pain in the ass. So not really good. There's not many good ones out there, and they're expensive. So I'm like, you know what? I want to get rid of the crap I have right now. I'll show you right now how bad it is, and just put these on. I mean, it's not amazing, but they're gonna look a lot better than what the hell I have right now. So let me show you. All right, so I got 3 out of 4 stock 17-inch rims. I'll show you a clip right now why I only have 3. So they were chrome when I first got the car, but they were kind of chipped and little black spots. It sucked. So I had to do a ghetto cheap way and spray paint them matte black. It looks like crap, I know. So there's that. On this side right here, it's a Touring, I'm not sure which rim it is, but it's a 17-inch. This one has a different offset because when I broke my stock rim, I had to get a new one. They couldn't find another stock one, so I just said screw it, put any rim on. There it is. I mean, it looks okay, but it's not my taste. But as you can tell, it kind of looks stupid because it's the only rim not matching. But I also made the headlights angry. A little vinyl wrap. It's not the best looking thing, but you know, something different. That's pretty much it. The new rims are right here. Hopefully I can get a good look on that. My car smells disgusting because of the rubber on these tires. I got one right here, one right there, and 2 in the back, in the trunk. So I have all 4 rims right there lined up. I got my lug nuts and stuff right here. So I'm really excited how it's gonna look. Really, really excited. Since I'm getting new tires put on, how about we do a little burnout? I did it before, but not like this. Ready? They ain't doing it. Well, it did not do it. I was surprised. I mean, it's not a lot of power on the car, but I made it spin before. That was really weird. It's probably because of the weight. Been waiting for a whole year, man, finally. That was the center of the wheel. I want to tighten it. No rubbing either. It's like that close to rubbing. The wheels are put on. They look pretty damn good. I don't know if you can see that, but damn. I was this close to rubbing my wheel well and the inner, I guess. But damn, man, it looks so good. I'm gonna see how it feels on the road, but so happy knowing that I finally got all these ugly ass rims off and old tires. Well, they're not old, they're not even 7,000 miles in, so you know, sell those, make money back. But man, oh man, it's gonna be really cool Awesome, awesome, awesome. The car feels absolutely phenomenal. It's smooth, no more wiggling after 60 or 70 miles per hour on the freeway. It feels freaking awesome. I haven't really done too much turning, so I don't know how exactly the front tires feel when it comes to corners and all that. I'll do an update later on, but man, it feels great. I'm in loss of words right now. The fitment, the rear, they fit perfectly. The offset is 20mm positive, so the rear, they are flush with the rear fender, looks good. I think if I were to drop the back, it would look really nice. The front, however, they do stick out a tiny bit, but it's not a drastic amount where it's embarrassing. You're like, oh my god, dude, that's really bad. But they kind of stick out a tiny bit. It's not too bad, it's really nice. If I were to drop the front, it wouldn't be that bad. But I was afraid they would rub against the wheel well or fender liner when I made a complete turn. That's not the case. They do not. But they do barely miss the wheel well by a tiny bit when I make a complete right or left turn. Just a tiny bit on the inner well. I'll show a video on that later or a photo. But thank God it didn't rub, because 20mm is pretty aggressive, especially when I'm not running any spacers or anything. I dropped from a 51 to a 20, so that's a big ass difference. So it looks good. Ride's good. I got another Cadillac behind me, a piece of shit CTS, 2nd gen. God, those things are ugly. The CTS-V on those years were nice, but not the regular. They're just so, they're an abomination. I don't know how the hell they replaced the STS. I'm still mad about that. But damn, it looks good. I'll show you right now. It's freaking awesome. Take a look at that. Woo-wee. Super close. So for the rears, they look absolutely phenomenal. Oh yeah. Fill that fender in. Just wish I could drop it. As to the front, let me go ahead and fix it a little. Right there. Let's get a better shot on this side. Not too much, as you can see, barely. Overall, very pleased.